Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we will explore the power of CodePorting.Cs2Cpp to effortlessly convert a C# project into a fully functional C++ project. Let's begin by creating a simple test project. From the list, choose Console Application. Set the project name to Example and location to C projects. Click Create. Here is our source code, a simple Hello World application. Now, let's translate this project into C++ using the CodePorting.Translator.Cs2Cpp. In the console, we type CodePorting.Translator.Cs2Cpp. Then the path to our CS project. And the output path. Done, the project has been converted. Next, we navigate to the directory of the translated project. Let's explore the newly created C++ project directory. The next step is to generate the solution for our C++ project using CMake. Let's take a look at what we've got. Open the resulting C++ solution. The C++ code provided is a translation from C# and is designed to replicate the behavior of the original code using the translator support library. Instead of using the standard cout for console output, it employs writeLine function from the library to ensure consistent behavior across both C++ and C#. Now, let's compile and run this code. We see Hello World on the screen, which is exactly what we expected. As you can observe, the conversion process is efficient and straightforward. In our upcoming videos, we will delve into more complex and interesting examples. Thank you for watching and goodbye.